Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I am here with yet another video on what is field dependency in Salesforce. So field dependency is a drop down list filter, or we can say it is a pick list filter. So there is a controlling field and a dependent field in the field dependencies. For example, we can take country and state. So the country will be the controlling field and the state will be the dependent field. So if we select India and I only want those states which is present in India should be displayed on the dependent field. So, and it is very easy to summarize the pick list value with the help of field dependency. So let's see a small video demonstration on how we can create a field dependency in Salesforce. So for creating a field dependency, we'll create the field dependency on guest. So we'll click onto the setup, then we'll click onto the edit object. Okay, here we'll click onto the fields and relationship. Here we can see a section of field dependency. We'll click onto it. Then we'll click onto the new. So for creating a new field dependency, we'll first see that there is a controlling field which we have to select. So we'll select it as country. Then as a dependent field, we'll select it as state. Okay, then we'll continue. Here we have to select the state. Like for India, we'll select this much. We'll include values. For USA, we'll select this much and we'll include the values. And for UK, we'll select this much and we'll include the values. Then we'll save this. Okay, then we'll create another field dependency as state and city. Okay, then again we'll select at state and city. We'll continue. Here we'll again include the values. Okay, we'll select this much, include values. We'll select this much, include values. We'll select this much, this much, include values. Again, include. Okay, so we'll save this. Okay, so now we have to see that how field dependency exactly works. So we can see, we'll click onto the new. Okay, here we can see that there is a field dependency, view all field dependency. So first we'll select the country so that the state can be enabled. So we'll select India. So as we select India, there is a enable button. We can check onto the state. So we'll select Rajasthan. Then as soon as we'll select state, the city has been enabled. We'll select Ajmer. Then as soon as we'll select city, the area will be enabled and we'll select Vaishali. So this is how we can see that each and everything is dependent on each other. So the country is dependent on state, then the state has been dependent on city, and the city has been dependent on the area. So this is how we select field dependencies, and this is how field dependency actually works in Salesforce. So till now, this is all about the field dependency. We'll meet in the next video in what more we can learn in Salesforce. Till then, stay tuned and please do like, share, and comment the YouTube channel, and please do watch the videos. Thank you.